Hello, so I'm going to be showing you in this video on how to invest in Alpari Pamm Account. Alpari Pamm Account is an investment platform of Alpari Broker. It's one of the largest broker in the world. As you can see here, they have over 20 years in experience and over 2 million customers. So Alpari Investment is a platform where you can invest without having the knowledge on how to trade forex. Okay, to get started, just click on the link attached to this video. So once you click on the link attached to this video, it's going to take you to this stage. So on this page, you can then input your registration information, input your first name, input your last name, select the country, input your phone number, input your email, and input your password. So once you input all of this information, Alpari is going to send the mobile number you inputted here. Alpari is going to send a pin to this mobile number. Once you send a pin to this mobile number, then you can then input the pin here. So once you input the pin here, then you can click on register now. Once you click on register now, it's going to take you to the next. Okay, first you'll be taken to the page to log in, and on the login page, input your email and your password you use when registering. So once you input all of that, it's going to take you to your dashboard. Okay, so this is how your dashboard looks out. So on your dashboard, in the left menu on your dashboard, just locate open an account. You can see. So once you click on open an account over here, it is going to bring all of these places. So click on select investment account. So once you select the investment account, it's going to take you to the next page. So on this page, those are list of strategy managers. So we have over 100 strategy managers to trade with. It's very simple. Just locate the strategy manager of your choice. There are two important things to look at when locating your strategy manager. The first thing is the all-time profit and their monthly profit. So let's look at the strategy manager with the best monthly profit. Okay, as you can see, this one has 27.5% profit. This one over here has 16.79% profit. Last one. This processing here boundary. And see those are the information boundary from China. It has 31.25% profit. So keep scrolling down to select the best strategy manager. So this processing global trader. The processing here global trader from China have 283.45% profit for last month. So you see, that means you can earn up to 280% return in Alpari Pamm Account just in a month. So just click on invest. Once you click on invest, it takes you to the next page. So on this page here, before you click on invest, it's actually very important you check the profile of each of these investment manager. So global trader can go ahead and click on his profile. Once you click on the profile, it's going to take you to the profile of the person. So you can then track the monthly earnings of the person here. So click on amount. Once you click on amount, you can see this. You can see here for the month of April, this person earns 5% return. For the month of May, here it earns 172% return. For the month of June, it earns 92% return. So this is a good strategy manager to invest with. And once you have selected your strategy manager and you are satisfied, just go ahead, scroll up, and then click on invest. So after clicking on invest, it's going to take you to the next page where you are going to make a deposit. So there are lots of methods, deposit method. So you can choose the deposit method you like. You can either deposit to credit card, deposit to bank transfer, deposit to e-wallet. So let's assume we want to deposit through credit card. So we have MasterCard, and then just go ahead and click on deposit. Also click on next deposit. It takes you to the last page. So on this page here, right, select the account you want to use. Select the account you want to use. Select the currency. Select the currency, either USD, Euro, or British Pound. So select the currency. Select your amount. Okay, now for Alpari Pamm account, the minimum investment is $50. But sometimes each strategy manager has their own minimum investment amount. So when checking the profile of the strategy manager, check also the minimum investment amount. Minimum investment. So there is no limit to how much you can invest in a Alpari Pamm account. There's no limit to how much you can invest in a Alpari Pamm account. So once you input all your information, then click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it's going to take you to a page where you can put your credit card details and click on submit. So once you submit, you are done. So you can see, invest in a Alpari Pamm account is very simple. You just take just 4 simple steps. After registering, then you can go and sleep and return to your dashboard to check the performance of your investment. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.